be pretty. Damn it. Ooh. You know, when you're driving, like during the sunset and all of that, that little golden hour in the car is amazing. Anyways. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog from the car. It's been a while since I vlogged from the car. I think I've never used this equipment. I think I've never vlogged in my car like this alone. I think the last time I vlogged was in July, like right before we went to Sweden for all the shopping and all of that. And yeah, we're back in the car. We're back in the solitude. It's like the fortress of solitude because I talk so much over here. Be it phones, be it anything. Anyways, what's up? Anyways, I'm gonna go get my nails done. My nails are so bad, you guys. I literally had to paint over this for I don't know what was a festival in the middle, and yeah, something I had to like paint, and that is when I realized. Oh, I also tried nail stickers. Like I'll post that part also right now, but it's been such like hello. It's like a spoiler alert. It's the worst. Nail stickers don't work for my nails. And secondly, I love having long nails. Like long in the sense, I get a very, very small size of extensions, like gel overlays. But the problem is, my nails don't even grow that much. My nails do not. They break very fast. And there's so much that happens. Anyways, I'm not going to talk a lot. But, hello. We have so much going on, like in the next couple of days. Color like
I mean, I can see.
No, that's a rainbow bubbles. Hello, hi Aksta.
Hello.
Today you're also getting your nails done. Aksta, I'm excited. Hey, email to be now. అదొకటే కదా ఇంకో రెండు కాదు రెండు చేతులు నేను రెండు చేతులు అనుకున్నా తెలుసా బాబు లేదమ్మా నా దగ్గర ఏమొద్దు నాకేమొద్దు. Anyways, yeah, so we're getting our nails done. Mine is like I don't know, birthday excitement or trip excitement ఎక్కువైపోయింది. Anyways, you will see a lot of us in the next 15 days. 15-20 days it will just be us because we're going on a vacation. I'm excited, Aksa. At the same time I'm scared na double అయిపోతాయని నా బాధ నాది. Anyways, yeah, let's get our nails done. Aksa, can you show your nails? How dirty they are? Why are you showing like this? It's like the manchiga neatly you show me. Ah, very nice. Hare Krishna leda ammutuna road lo meeda. Why are you scared and why are you getting scared? Let's go to the nail salon. Let's go to the nail salon. We got our nails done. It's a really bad light, but we got our nails done. Can you show your nails also? So we got matching. Very pretty. I'm really excited for these nails. I'm excited. I'm so. This vlog is the entire prepping for the vacation and packing and all of that, and ending up in the airport. It's that part. I'm excited, you guys. I'm very, very excited. Well, 28 kada. 29th, 30th, 1st. Again on 2nd I'll see her. From 2nd till 17th we will be together like a married couple. I'm excited for this. Today is the 25th of September and it's 3:28 p.m. And in another 5 days I leave for one of my biggest vacations in India. I'm not going very, very far, but by now if you're following me on Instagram you obviously would have known where I'm going and all. So I'm excited. And let's go start a little bit of packing, okay? So there are a few things that I wanted to tell you guys. That number one, my suitcases are packed, but the problem is they're too heavy, and I know for a fact I'm going to get back a lot more things. So I'm definitely going to like reduce the weight at least half. This is my third attempt and I have put all of my luggage. I removed all of my luggage and I put it into my trekking bag and my small carry-on that is right there. Finally I'm done. Let us do this. I'm really excited for you guys to like check out. Anyways, yeah, finally done with the entire packing, and that's my luggage. Yeah, everything is set, ready and packed, and we are ready to roll. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here because the traveling vlog itself will be a separate vlog. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and there are a lot more travel vlogs coming very soon for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.